What's poppin', Babishas and Babinossss? We are back for another hair video. So if you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that right now. Turn on your notification bell and let's get into it. Today we are going to be achieving a side ponytail with add-on bundles. What you need to do is separate the back of your hair from the front, which is what you'll be seeing me do now, and then separate your bangs from your side swoop. Christina, the founder of My Lovely Fro, got in contact with me and sent me over this amazing ass mango hair balm. Like, it smells like mangoes, but there's other ingredients in it, and I'm going to list them below in the description box and also give you a link and a coupon code. But this hair balm is just to go ahead and nourish the scalp and just promote hair growth and just, you know, keep your scalp oiled. Well, not oiled, but moisturized without making your hair super heavy. I hate when I flat iron my hair and I have a nice ass blowout with all this movement, and then I have a dry scalp like you see right here, and I gotta use a heavy product. Because when you put heavy products on your scalp, it runs down your hair and just makes everything look so greasy. But this balm was amazing. You only need a very little bit. It goes a long way, and it's like a harder balm, so you have to really rub your finger in there. It's all natural, and like, just go check out her products. Like, it was amazing. I was very impressed. Alrighty, so now I'm just separating my little side pieces. I haven't done this anytime that I've done this hairstyle, but I decided I wanted to have two accent pieces on the side, and it actually turned out really cute. So I'm just separating that now. Honestly, guys, this hairstyle is very self-explanatory, and I do slow motion some of the clips in the video, but I'm going to be using the Got to Be Glued Freeze Blast spray. I spray it on the roots every time I section apart. I spray the roots with the spray, comb it down with the comb. Sometimes I use a little bit of Eco Styler gel on my edge brush to help me like smooth everything down, but it's very self-explanatory. If you have any questions, make sure you hit me up in the comments below, and until then, just enjoy the vibe and just watch along. You know, give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe in the end. I love you guys so much. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. Y'all are really amazing, like really amazing, y'all. I can't even express how grateful I am. So like I said, I'm gonna stop rapping and let y'all watch the video. If you have any questions, hit me up, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.